Monsoon storms in Bangladesh have killed at least 25 people and caused devastating floods that have left more than 4 million people stranded. The worst flooding in decades hit northeast Bangladesh, with the Surma River in Sylhet 70 centimeters above dangerous levels on Friday. Major rivers in the two northeastern districts of Sylhet and Sunamganj have swollen to dangerously high levels due to heavy rainfall. The flood follows a pre-monsoon flood that devastated the same northeastern region just a month ago, inundating 70% of Sylhet and 60% of neighboring Sunamganj. The flooding flooded much of the Sylhet-Sunamganj highway, hindering rescue operations.
আল্লাহ আপনি সব রহম করুক ও পানির স্রোতের কারণে মানুষের রসি দেওয়া যাওয়ার চেষ্টা করে তারপরেও পারেন না খুব কষ্ট
The strength of the flood in the area has surpassed all past records. Sunamganj is practically cut off from the rest of the country. The water level in the main river Surma in the Sunamganj district was 120 centimeters above the dangerous level on Friday, according to the Flood Warning Center. Much of the city of Sylhet, the capital, was flooded, with at least 10 blocks covered in knee-deep water.